My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing that's bright.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
in
Your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love. Two hearts that beat as one. Our lives has just begun. Oh, I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. Oh, love, I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure.
you know I don't mind.
Oh, you know I don't mind, 'cause you mean the world to me. Oh, I know I found in you my endless love.
Thank you po sa Celamorni family.
I'll be that fool for you, I'm sure.
You know I don't mind.
Oh, you know I don't mind, and yes, you'll be the only one. 'Cause no one can deny this love I had inside, and I give it all to you, my love, my endless love.
Yes, once again, ito po ang aking winning piece last night. So thank you very much po sa aking mga coach, si Ma'am Christine DSC and Ma'am Mags, Miss Mags. Thank you so much po sa mga judges. And most especially po, thank you po sa ating host na si Ma'am Celamor. Thank you so much. And sa next po, good luck po sa aking mga kasama. Thank you!